Glock City is so fun, and this is for my friend and the bros. So good. Oh wait, what's that sound? What? There's nothing. Wait. Oh my God! Oh my!
Get out! Get out of my car! Give me money! Hey, both of you! Money,
What
please!
the money, please? Oh, hi!
I need some money.
Excuse bro!
I need
This
some money.
guy!
Hey,
Ouch!
where's the money?
Where's the money?
This mango! Come here, mango!
What? Don't beat me again.
Give me money!
Give me some money. Give me some money.
Oi.
Okay, fine!
I'm very hungry.
Ooh, haha, I'm about to rich!
Wow.
Whoa.
You saw this, no?
Yeah! Now I'm out of here!
Move out of the way,
Hey,
man!
you over there!
Oh my
Bye-bye.
God, that guy! Okay, let's go this side.
Okay.
Look! Wait!
What?
Go back!
Okay.
Okay, stop! And welcome to my house. Ladies first.
What the hell?
Let's get a tour. Let's get a tour, man. Okay, this is my kitchen. We can sit here, whatever. And this is my kitchen. And we can eat things here. And this is my paint.
Wow,
Nice.
so yeah, painting so cool.
And this is for Ender Pros. We can eat. So good. What the hell? And this is my TV. Nice.
Wow.
And look at this.
So cool.
Shiny, right?
Yeah.
And now this is my pee toilet. Nice, right? Yeah. Just look at
So
this.
nice.
We can poop here. What the hell? Okay, let's go upstairs.
Hey, sir!
Oh my God.
This is fake
This
money!
guy again.
This is fake money! Give me diamonds!
No. Get out of
I
here.
don't have some money,
No.
diamond.
You have out. Goal.
This is fake!
64.
Ah,
I am a cop, man. I am a cop.
give me my money!
No, or else I will change.
You robber!
Wait a minute. I will go and change.
Hey, give me my money!
Oh no. This guy. Oh no.
No.
I need to call one. This guy.
Come,
This guy. Come, my friend. I will lock the door. Lock. Okay. Come.
Hey, you over there!
Oi. Die, you die. Run. I'm scared.
My balls!
Phew. Come, let's get out of here.
Yeah.
Wait, where's my car? No.
Skill. I'm very skilled.
I don't need this car.
Yeah.
Let's go and buy some car or something. Wait.
Where's my friend?
We need to rob this house. We need to rob this house. Come on.
He died, my friend. Oh no.
Oh no.
Guys!
That guy.
That guy.
Hey,
Wait.
bro, I see you at least, bro!
Okay, bro. Hey, Mango. Come down.
Okay, I
I
can't.
think it is safe or something. Wait. Oh my God. Come, friend. Oh, let's go to Ender Pro's house. I think he is not here.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Hey, you!
Come here. You follow me. The door is open. Let's go here. Come here.
Give me my
Follow
money!
me. Let's hide here. Close the door. Lock the door. Wait, I will lock. Okay. Lock. Sit here. Hide like this.
Oh no, I think I shit myself.
We will jump
Don't
scare
even
him,
see
guys.
me.
We will jump scare. In 3, 2, 1. Woo! Let's beat him out! Run! Let's go to the backyard.
Yeah.
Wait, this is not the backyard. Here. Let's go up there.
Yeah.
Let's go up there. The toughest. Oh my God. my hand. Very hard to climb, guys.
Wait. Come fast, come
Where's
fast.
the guy?
I don't know.
Where's the guy? Let's search him.
Yeah.
I think. Oh my god! He's climbing there. Climbing up the 60. Woo! Somebody! Wait.
Money.
Do you see him? Yeah, I see him. Okay, let's go. Let's go to the
Okay.
car side. Car shop or the mall. Let's go to the mall. Ouch!
He shoot you.
I almost
Go fast,
died.
go fast.
My batak. My butt.
Ooh. Go fast.
Ooh, mailbox.
Wait.
Oh my god, there is no friend.
Faster.
Let's go this side.
Go faster.
No. Let's go this side.
Wait, he come now.
Yeah.
I'm becoming late.
Come fast.
Gotta go home.
So scared.
My friend told me to leave this GLOCK City.
He monster.
Yes, he's a monster. Wait, that is the bin. I think we can go.
Yeah.
There's many people.
Yeah.
Let's go fast. Oh man.
Come fast, come fast.
Behind you.
Come fast, come fast.
My friend, go fast.
Come fast.
You will come
Come
fast.
fast.
Oh wait, there is a car. We can drive this.
Yeah.
Come here fast.
Hurry up, guys.
Fast. Go fast.
Come fast.
Come on, hurry up.
No, you can drive the blue car.
Hey,
Come fast. Boost, turbo
Come on,
boost.
kids, bro.
Let's go fast.
Go fast.
I think we should go this side.
I was my die.
Yes, me too. Phew. Look at the big side.
Fast. You also.
Wait, let's go to the mall.
Yeah.
It will be scary. Wait. We can drive this taxi.
Yeah.
Together. Come. Fast. No.
Okay, I'll drive in here.
No. Come.
Come fast.
I think he is not there yet.
Yeah.
Are you
Oh.
coming?
He's not there now. Yeah.
Okay.
That's it.
Nice. We can go to the mall like this. I think. No. Nah, bro.
No,
We need to go to the police station.
Police station. Let's go to.
Let's just park like this.
Let's talk to him.
What? Hey, sir. I need to
go to
Where's
the car.
Where's Enterprise?
In the front.
What?
Where is the-
He's not there. Why? Oh no. Wait, I need to check.
Here he come. I'm scared.
No. He's not.
Money.
Let's hide in the toilet. Close the door. Wait, me. I'm looking. Oh my God!
Give me money.
I give already now. Go.
Yeah.
Oh,
no, I'm scared. No.
Hey, money.
Let's go. Faster. Come. Let's lock the door.
My
Skill.
friend.
Yes. Nice.
Hey.
Yeah.
Come fast. My friend, come
Look at
fast.
this. Yeah, nice.
He come again. Come fast.
Yeah, I think he's a strong guy.
Yeah.
Wait. No. There is no space.
Yeah.
Let's go to the taxi again. You drive.
Go.
Yeah. Wait.
He come.
He's scared. Look at the big side. Did you see him?
He is a ghost.
I think.
My
Yeah.
money.
He flew. He flew.
I almost go fast.
I almost died.
Yeah. Wait, go to Enterprise house.
Yeah.
Get out.
No.
This house is very big and we can hide.
Uy. He come. I'm scared.
I see a taxi.
Oh no, I'm scared. I'm scared.
Where are you guys?
I look.
Wait.
Come, friend.
I think we can. Well,
Come, friend.
did you not see me?
You.
I almost died. He punched me. At my face.
Come fast.
Back is bro.
Wait.
Still my
Wait.
money.
Oh, scared. I'll go fast.
Are you?
Go fast.
Let's drive the car.
Yeah.
Where is Echo's Pro? Let's go.
Hello there, Mango man.
Mango, fast. Wait, Echo's Pro, you guys.
Oh, he comes.
Oh, his arrow is so sharp.
Oh,
I think.
I'm scared. He is a ghost.
Yeah.
I think.
Just around this.
Yeah. This.
Oh wait, we can go in the bank.
Yeah.
We said we can go in the.
bag.
Let's go.
Let's go to the bank.
Hi guys! There is a strange man! There is a strange man!
Ghost.
Listen to me!
Listen to me.
Listen
Tell
to
me, guys.
me!
Listen to me.
Okay. You're
Hey,
looking.
come on.
Look at this! Look at this guy! Look at this guy!
This guy is
I'll punch his
ghost.
Uy! Yeah! Oh my god! He has a knife!
Yeah.
How dare you hit me? You people!
Drive!
I'm scared.
Very fast!
I'm scared. Just come fast.
Okay.
Come fast.
Wait, okay. I can look the bag. My god.
What can you do? Go now.
I think in my house! In my house!
Yeah. Let's go to the secret there.
Yes! We can get a ball or something! Let's go!
Let's go. I'm scared. They're scared.
Yes!
Come
Me
fast,
too!
Come fast.
In the hunted!
Secret room also.
Yeah!
Come fast. Let's go to the secret room. So scary.
Close the door! Okay, I will close. Okay.
Hey, sorry. Wow.
Don't close this! Okay!
Wow. I take this. This one.
Only one thing, okay?
Okay. I take both
Now
ends.
this. Now.
I take seal also.
Say goodbye to your friends.
Whoa. I'm scared.
Oh no!
Yeah.
I know how to do!
What can you do now?
Scary!
Wait.
What can you do now? We can crush this! Oh no! Come here, man!
No.
What?
Ah.
I shot him the head! His blood! He's bleeding!
Come fast, my friend.
Come here!
Come fast.
And now!
Come fast, my friend.
In my ball!
Come fast.
His buttock!
Whoa,
Whoa!
there is so many. So scary.
So many blood! He's bleeding, right? Yeah. We can crawl here.
I'm
Look at
very
this guy.
scared.
Need to do like this.
Go on.
Who? Yeah.
Hey, my friend.
Yeah.
I cannot go now.
I will keep his buttock. Oh, he's flying! Get out!
Oh no.
Let's go to the taxi again.
Monster. I know now.
Yeah. Come fast. Drive.
I'm super hungry now. Wait. I feel hungry. Oh.
Drive, guys. Oh my god.
Okay. Come fast.
Drive, X Pro.
I drive now. Okay.
Go. Yes, go. Go fast. I need to shoot him. Wait, slower.
I go to the police.
He's there, I think. Wait, he's... What? Okay. Now. Let's go.
This
This is not the police. This is the mall. Wait. We can hide in the mall.
Yeah.
There's so many space. Wait, where's the old man? I think he's here and... Oh, no.
Where's the old man?
No, wait. Let's go this side.
Oh! Here come. I'm scared. Come.
I know. I beat. I know we can hide.
Yeah.
Come.
Wow. This is so cool.
Where is he?
Achoo!
Where is he?
Where
Wait,
is
I see him.
I see.
What? Come, let's go here.
He flies.
In the clothing store.
Okay.
Fast. Okay.
I beat you.
Let's hide here. Come. I think he will not see. I will hide here. Okay. Bye.
Stop. He's coming.
Oh no! Oh no!
He beat me. Oh
I
no.
think he's not seeing
I
me.
go now.
Where?
What the hell? You guys! Hacha! And he's bleeding! He's bleeding! He's bleeding! Run! He's coming again! All the time!
She always coming again.
Yeah!
I need
I
to.
say give
I
me
need
my
to lock
money.
the door.
No!
Okay.
You already reached!
I need to jump here.
Come fast! My friend, come fast!
Wait. I need to push him.
fast.
Yeah.
Oh no!
I need to come fast. Okay. Go. Where's Eclipse Pro?
He run now!
Oh, there. I need to shoot him. Hi, come fast.
I go for police station!
Yes. This is not the police station, man. You don't know this city yet.
Oi! Oh no!
Oh wait, I know. Just
This side! No! Hey! Oh no! I'm very scared!
what
Go faster.
the hell? You're so noob.
No, you noob! Also, wait, he follow me! Wait!
Yes, this is the police station. Let's go again. What the? There is a blood again.
Oh no! Scared!
Wait. Let's go this side here. There's a blood there.
Close the door. Oh, I'm scared.
What? There is a blood again. Wait. Oh, hi.
Hi.
Wait, I need to open the door.
Yeah. I need to open the door.
No!
I died.
What?
What?
Whoa! I'm sick.
Now, hand
This
me my
gun.
money. Give me my
Where's
money.
all my stuff? Wait. Where's all my stuff?
Yeah.
Where did I get it? Where did it be? Wait.
Yeah.
Wait. I think we can cross here.
Give
No.
me my money right now.
No.
I bet you don't have money because I took your
Oh no.
What? I can't even see.
money.
Hey! I come here, man. Hey! Oh no!
My friend,
I can open this. Okay, let's go. Let's go. It is morning. Woo! Drive. Come fast. Okay. Wait, I will not drive.
How dare you escape?
I drive now. Oh no! I will drive again. What? This Eclipse Pro. Why are you? Okay. Let's go to the mall again. Yeah. Let's go. No.
Wait, come.
Oh no! Where's all my diamond blocks or something?
Yeah.
I'm very hungry.
Me too.
Wait, we can hide here. Sit here.
Where are you guys?
We can look here.
Oh, you over there. Die.
Oh no! Look at the downside.
No.
Man.
You guys.
No! Oh no!
Money.
No! On my left. This guy. On my left.
Hey, you over there.
My leg. I will get his knife. Okay. And I will kill himself. I'm gonna he die. He died. Run! He's spawned again. He fly. Go. What? He's flying? Yeah. Where? Let's go faster. Yeah. Wait. I'll drive now. Okay. I'll drive now. Move back. You drive. Move back. X Pro. Move back.
Skin has been
Drive
rusted.
fast. Oi,
That's
fast.
How dare
Wait. Oh, Mom. He is a skeleton now. He have a skull. Wait. I need to. Okay, run. I got this. I come. Go. Where should I go? I come. I come. In the bank. Yes. Broke. Guys, save me. Ooh, a cake.
Ghost, come out. Send me a cake.
Yeah, guys. Yeah, I need to
Please,
go
cake.
Wait, where? I need to go here. Wait. Okay, let's go. Let's hide here.
Wait for me, no? Oh, so scary.
Yeah.
Where?
Why are you opening the door?
Hi, creeper.
Hi, old man. Hi. What the hell? Oh my god. Okay. Wait. Hi.
Here come. I'm scared.
Oh, a creeper! What the hell?
So scary.
He's coming?
Yeah. Oh, I'm scared.
Wait, I see blood over it. Oh my god! Fast! I'll drive this. Bye bye. I'll drive this. Let's go to a small house. Or let's go to the building. No. Come fast. Let's go here. Okay.
Wait, he come. I'm scared. Wait.
Oh no.
How did he go now?
Hey, you over there, that's my house.
No, he... Wait, I'm scared.
Okay, now.
Go fast. Go fast.
Give me my money.
Go here.
Now.
Again. We need to go again.
Yeah.
And he will trap again. Wait.
What?
He can trap himself. Okay. You will push, guys.
Yeah.
Push.
Yeah.
Okay, now.
Yeah.
Why are you going, Rekis Pro?
Yeah.
Come again. Come back.
Come.
Yes.
No.
Yes. Who's opening again?
You really tried to trap me.
What gonna trap me?
You got trapped you.
Oh no. You go to the prison. Go. Oh, what happened? I'm too sleepy. You again? I'm tired.
Shut up. Keep quiet.
Hey, my friend!
Hey, you over there.
Oh no! What the hell? Get over here! Get pushed out! You Thank you guys. Thank you for saving me. Wait, he come again. What? Wait, there's no leather. How even did you get out? Oh, I see now. Oh, I see now. What the hell?
Soul of the dead.
No.
This is the soul of the
Oh my god!
You really
Oh
thought
no!
you could escape me?
He's a soul!
Oh, where's my money?
I don't want to give you now.
Give me my money.
He's a
boy.
soul!
I already give gold.
He's a soul! I can't beat him! Come over here! Come
I
in
want to
here!
get back.
He's so strong!
Let's go.
I think the chair can be hit. Okay, I will go and throw at
My
him.
family looking.
No, I can't throw that.
Let's get out.
My family
weak. Let's go to the old house.
Oh,
My family looking.
wait, let's go to the wooden house. Not this one, not this one. Wait.
My family looking.
I know.
He stopped.
I remember he stopped.
Let's go to the old house.
Yes, that one. Come fast. That one. Oh my god. Here. Let's go fast. I think in here we can hide. Yeah. We can hide here.
Oh, I'm scared. Oh no.
Wait. We can look.
Oh no. Oh no. Hey, friend. Okay.
What the?
Wait. I got scared. I'm just scared.
I think he will come.
Yeah.
You guys don't look, okay? Wait a minute. I hear him.
Okay.
Oh, why?
Don't Bob, don't beat me.
You gonna scare me, huh?
Oh no! Oh no!
Oh no! I'm scared. I go far. This is a kitchen. Oh no! Oh no!
I see you.
Run.
It's painful. Let's get out in this city, I think.
Yeah. He's very scared.
Yes. He's so scary, right? Wait, no. But there's no another city.
Yeah.
This city is almost.
Oh no!
Whoa!
Daytime!
Yay!
I'm so happy.
Oh my god!
I'm so happy.
Die! Wow, guys pushing me. Hey! Wait.
You
Do not beat.
We'll pay
Mango! Stand here one time.
We finish now. Woo.
Yeah, we'll kill him.
Yeah.
We can be together forever. No. What?
What
The fire is not heavy now.
Yeah.
Okay. What the? You just sleep here? Me too, I will just sleep here.
No soldiers.
Hi.
What? What? I got. Whoa! Wait! There is a smoke.
Red smoke!
Red smoke. I almost died.